right, this next question. Look at the group of shapes. What is the fraction of triangles? Well, how many shapes do we have total here? That is the first thing that we have to figure out. And I'm looking for the triangles, okay? How many shapes total? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So we have 8 total shapes. And I'm looking for triangles. There's a triangle. There's a triangle. And here's a triangle. So I have 1, 2, 3. 3/8 of my shapes are triangles. 1/3, no, I don't. 1/3 would be I only have one triangle in 3 total shapes, and that is not an accurate statement for this picture. 2/8. Some of you might have said 2/8 if you did not choose this one right here as a triangle. It was a little tricky and it looked different than these two, but remember, a triangle has 3 sides and 3 angles. 3/8, that's what we said, and 1/2. That would mean I had 2 shapes and only one of them was a triangle. And we know that that's not correct because I have a total of 8 shapes. So letter B is the correct answer.